our way to Miami right now. With this unfortunate global pandemic that's going on, boat prices have been a little bit more affordable lately, right? To say the least.
Yeah, for sure.
So there's maybe a little bit of room for us to start searching for an upgrade. Yeah?
Yeah, for sure. Bigger, wider, and more comfortable, I guess.
Fronting water and a galley, please?
Yeah.
I don't ask for much, right?
Yeah.
I'm not picky.
Let's see what we can find for sale. Catalinas in particular, I think.
It's the Catalina wine mixer.
I want the Catalina wine mixer. I've been earning and burning, snapping necks and cashing checks.
It's the Catalina wine mixer, okay?
All right, we made it to our destination.
Yeah, we're at the Miami Marine Stadium.
Yeah, right where the boat show was, just a couple months back.
Look at that nice view.
Oh yeah.
Man,
Look at that nice view, huh?
Imagine keeping your boat anchored here and waking up to that every day.
I know, it's awesome.
Yeah.
So which boat do you want to look at?
Well, I think it's that one right over there.
Yeah, I think there's a nice Catalina for sale. That is it. The current owner is gonna come over and pick us up in the dink, and we're gonna go check it out.
In the dink?
In the dinghy. We're gonna get a bigger boat. That's what we've decided. So today we went out and sea trialed a Catalina 34. It's a really nice boat.
Yeah.
Kind
really
of a fixer-upper a little bit.
Nice. I mean, not really.
Yeah, it needs some stuff.
It needs a little love. Just
Yeah.
a little.
But other than that, it's cool. We
Yeah.
can't wait to show you guys. So anyhow, we're just waiting for the boat to be delivered to us. It's coming down here to our little area here, and we're gonna do all the paperwork, and she's ours.
Happy anniversary, baby.
Happy anniversary. Mwah.
Today's a real special day. Not only it's our 2-year wedding anniversary, it's our 5-year Facebook official anniversary, but we're also picking up something special.
I know, I'm just so nervous.
I know. We're here at the Hollywood Marina to pick up the soon-to-be former owners of our new boat.
Yeah, they just won't let you. You'll see there's a bunch of dinghies tied up around the rocks and stuff over there. All right, well, yep, we'll pick you up there. Okay, bye.
I'm here waiting at the place that we were going to dock our boat to take official delivery of our new sailboat. Robert and the former owners should be coming up the canal real soon. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we just got done with our kind of walkthrough on our new to us boat, and now we got some chores to do, so we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. We got a grand tour to come. I see it. Yeah, I see it. You don't pull it up. So if you go into like
We've officially taken delivery.
yeah,
We made new friends of the sellers,
yeah, they're good people.
and I'm actually really sad that they left. It was hard. How do you feel?
I'm in shock still.
Yeah?
Because this moved so fast, you know? Like, we didn't even think, really, that we were going to do this until, what, a few days ago, right?
I mean, we were just looking for the past several months. We didn't actually, like, take it seriously.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But now, it is what it is, right?
And we did it.
Yeah. Now we have to decide where we're going to go first.
Okay, we need to play with the boat first.
Yeah.
Oh, look, we got a visitor.
So you should give a tour of this boat. This thing's awesome. I mean, you should give a tour of this yacht. Yeah.
We just took delivery of our anniversary present. Welcome to our Catalina 34. I'm going to give you a grand tour. I'm standing at the captain's wheel right now. The beam is about almost 12 feet. Length, like I said, 34 feet. You're standing in the cockpit right now with lovely twinkle lights. Let's go take a look on the deck. She's still a little rough. Our friends Nathaniel and Franz just moved out, and we only met them yesterday, and I'm really sad that they're leaving, but they're going back to Canada. They took good care of her. They repowered her, they painted the interior, they gave her lots of love. And we're sad to see them go, but their adventure ends and ours begins. This is her. She's got a spacious deck. I like the lifelines. Luna didn't have lifelines. Got nice big hatches, a roomy deck. It has a roller furler head sail, so that's great. Not a hank on. Let's go below deck. The galley's not so bad. Little sink. There's two 25-gallon water tanks. Ice box, 2-burner stove. Can't beat it. Look at the dining area that also converts into a sleeping area. Lots of storage behind it too. Navigation station. The radio. Hi, can you open the bridge, please? I have no idea why I did that in a British accent. Here's the wet head. And there's a pump potty and a sink and check it out. Lots of room. I'm actually super excited that it's a lot larger than a airplane bathroom. Let's go to the V-berth. See how roomy it is? Welcome to the forward cabin. It has a good spacious V-berth, and it even has AC when you're hooked up to shore power. Even more, look, it has closets. Oh, there's the... and drawers. Lots of nice teak, too. And a hatch above, so you can gaze at the stars. Oh, is that a planet? How cool is that? And now for my favorite part of this whole sailing yacht. The aft cabin. Come on. It has a lovely little bench. And the bed! Look how huge this is! And the portholes have screens. And there's a little closet right here. Look at that. You can like hang your clothes. It's fantastic. We can go anywhere with this thing. The keys, Bimini, anywhere and everywhere I want to go. Mm-hmm. Happy anniversary. Hope you liked your present. Aww. Oh yeah, there's fishing rod holders too. A keel step mast just sails a whole lot better, and it's a keel step mast, and the keel is a wing keel, so it only drafts less than 4 feet. You can't beat it. You really can't beat it. I'm super excited about our anniversary present to each other, and I hope you guys come along for the ride. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe, and the little bell so so you can follow along whenever we post new videos of our even newer adventures on... Wait, what's her name? She has a name, but we're gonna give her a new one. Yes, so stay tuned. Comment some ideas. I mean, she's a Catalina, so we thought it'd be funny, Catalina wine mixer. I don't know, you tell me. Let me know, comment. Send us a message, something.
We're out on the test sail, sea trial, on a 34 Catalina we're looking at, just out of Biscayne Bay.